Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Awesome Drug Calculations with yours truly, Zach G. Today's episode is a continuation of the last module regarding IV flow rate. So, this is a part two of that last episode. So, today's question asks, an IV bag has 50 milliliters of amoxicillin to be infused at a rate of 30 drops per minute. How long would it take for this solution to be administered if the set is calibrated to deliver 15 drops per milliliter? This is slightly different from the last module, but it's the same setup, the same formula. So let's go ahead and set the formula up real quick, okay? So the formula goes drops per minute equals the amount of the drug, which is the volume, times amount in drops per milliliter divided by the time needed to infuse. Okay, so the question is how long? The how long is the time. Okay, so that belongs to the time. That's what we're looking for. So this is going to be technically our x. Okay, keep that in mind. The other information that we need to complete our problem is, or rather are, 50 milliliter, 30 drops per minute, and 15 drops per milliliter. Okay, so all we have to do now is just plug in the information that we have been provided. So the amount in drops, or rather the drops per minute, is, as you can see here, is the 30. Okay, so that's the 30 here. The volume, okay, what do you think the volume is? The volume is the 50 milliliter. Okay, so we're going to bring the 50 ml here. Okay, and then we're going to multiply that by the amount in drops per ml. And again, as you guessed already, that's the 15 drops per milliliter. So we're going to multiply the 50 ml by 15 drops. Okay, and it's going to be divided by time. The time is what we're looking for, so that has to be considered x. Okay, so with that, let's go and solve our problem. So now that this is set up, we can kind of put 1 here if we want to do the cross multiplication. It's just an imaginary 1, but it helps us do the cross multiplication more effectively. So 50 times 15 is 750 milliliter. If we cross multiply, okay, x crosses 30, so we're going to divide the 750 by 30. And when we do this, what we should get as a result is 25. So this 25 that you see we got here is 25 minutes. Okay, and that's the time. So the amount, and actually to be precise, the time indicated here is in minutes. So how long will it take for this solution to be administered if the set is calibrated to deliver 15 drops per milliliter? The time is going to be 25 minutes, and that is our answer. So 25 minutes is the time. Again, the time noted here is in minutes, and the answer is 25 minutes. Will be the time needed to infuse this solution. That's very straightforward, and I hope this is clear. This video is going to be followed by another one that is very similar to IV flow rate, and we're going to name that part 3. So that's coming up. Stay tuned. Talk to you later. Bye.